Welcome to Power Tools Pro. In this video, we're showcasing 15 incredible Makita tools that every professional and DIY enthusiast should see. From pruning saws to miter saws and cordless breakers, discover the performance, precision, and reliability that make Makita a top choice on every job site. The Makita GCU07 40V Max XGT 6-inch pruning saw is a compact, high-performance tool designed for efficient pruning and light limbing. Powered by Makita's 40V Max XGT battery system, it delivers up to 80% more power and 70% faster cuts compared to previous models. The tool-free chain adjustment ensures quick and easy maintenance, while the retractable guard provides added safety. Weighing only 4.6 pounds with the battery, it reduces operator fatigue, making it ideal for professionals and homeowners alike. Experience the power and convenience of Makita's latest pruning solution. The Makita LS1219L Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw combines precision and efficiency for professional woodworking. Its unique two-steel rail sliding system allows for operation flush against a wall, saving space without compromising capacity. With increased vertical cutting capacity and a built-in laser guide, it ensures accurate cuts every time. The in-front bevel lock and dual dust collection ports enhance user convenience and workspace cleanliness. Ideal for crown molding, baseboards, and crosscuts, the LS1219L delivers exceptional performance and reliability for all your miter cutting needs. The Makita DBN901 Framing Nailer is a cordless, gasless solution for framing applications. Powered by Makita's 18V LXT battery, it offers consistent performance without the need for gas cartridges. The innovative air spring drive system provides rapid-fire capability, driving nails quickly and efficiently. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, while the tool-less depth adjustment ensures precise nail placement. Ideal for framing, decking, and other heavy-duty applications, the DBN901 combines power, convenience, and reliability in one tool. The Makita HM004G cordless breaker is a powerful demolition tool designed for heavy-duty applications. Powered by two 40V Max XGT batteries, it delivers high-impact energy for breaking concrete, asphalt, and masonry. The brushless motor ensures longer runtime and increased durability, while the ergonomic design reduces operator fatigue. With a hex 28.6mm shank, it accepts a wide range of accessories, making it versatile for various tasks. Ideal for construction and demolition professionals, the HM004G offers cordless convenience without compromising on power. The Makita UC029G 40V Max XGT 6-inch pruning saw is a lightweight, high-performance tool designed for efficient pruning. Powered by Makita's 40V Max XGT battery system, it delivers fast and clean cuts with its brushless motor. The tool-free chain adjustment allows for quick maintenance, while the compact design reduces operator fatigue. Ideal for arborists and landscapers, the UC029G provides the power and convenience needed for professional pruning tasks. Experience Makita's commitment to quality and innovation with the UC029G pruning saw. The Makita GA038G 40V Max XGT angle grinder is a powerful tool designed for heavy-duty cutting, grinding, and polishing. Its brushless motor delivers maximum efficiency with longer runtime, while the electric brake ensures added safety. The 4.5-inch and 6-inch wheel options provide versatility for various applications. Featuring a paddle switch for easy operation and ergonomic design to reduce user fatigue, this cordless grinder is ideal for metal fabrication, construction, and maintenance tasks. With Makita's XGT 40-volt system, the GA038G delivers professional-grade performance, portability, and durability for demanding industrial and job site environments. The Makita XHU10 18-volt LXT cordless 24-inch hedge trimmer is built for professional landscaping. Its dual-action blades allow fast, clean cuts while reducing vibration and fatigue. Lightweight and ergonomic, it provides superior balance and control for extended trimming sessions. The cordless design enhances mobility, allowing users to reach fences, shrubs, and hedges with ease. Equipped with Makita's 18-volt LXT battery system, the XHU10 delivers consistent power for all cutting tasks. Perfect for gardeners and arborists, it combines efficiency, comfort, and safety, making hedge trimming faster, easier, and more precise in residential and commercial landscapes. Makita's 40-volt Max XGT brushless cordless 18-inch chainsaw GCU04 delivers professional cutting performance without the hassle of gas. Its brushless motor ensures fast, smooth cuts with extended runtime. Lightweight and compact, it allows easy maneuverability for felling, limbing, and pruning tasks. Tool-free chain adjustments make maintenance simple, and the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Designed for professional landscapers and arborists, the GCU04 provides cordless convenience while maintaining the power and reliability needed for demanding outdoor cutting applications. The 40-volt Max XGT system guarantees high performance and maximum efficiency for every task. The Makita DTD173 LXT Impact Driver is a compact, high-performance tool designed for a wide range of fastening applications. Its brushless motor delivers up to 1,800 in-pounds of torque, providing efficient driving for screws and bolts. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and reduced operator fatigue, while the variable speed trigger allows precise control for different tasks. Lightweight and versatile, the DTD173 is ideal for construction, woodworking, and DIY projects. With Makita's 18-volt LXT battery system, it delivers long runtime and reliable power, making it a must-have for professionals seeking speed, durability, and efficiency. The Makita GSL03 and GSL04 10-inch and 12-inch dual-bevel sliding compound miter saws deliver precision and flexibility for professional woodworking. Featuring dual-bevel adjustment and sliding rails, these saws offer wide cutting capacity and accurate angle cuts. Built-in laser guides ensure precision, while dual dust collection ports help maintain a clean workspace. Ergonomic handles and in-front bevel locks enhance user comfort and convenience. Ideal for carpentry, crown molding, and furniture projects, the GSL03 and GSL04 provide the performance, durability, and reliability professionals expect from Makita, combining power and precision for all your miter cutting needs. The Makita DCU601 LXT cordless wheelbarrow is designed for efficient material handling on construction sites. With a reinforced steel body and increased max load capacity, it easily carries heavy materials with minimal effort. Its 40-volt Max XGT battery system provides consistent power for extended job site use. The ergonomic handles and smooth rolling wheels enhance maneuverability and reduce operator fatigue. Lightweight yet durable, this wheelbarrow is ideal for transporting concrete, soil, tools, and other heavy loads. Makita's innovative design ensures safe, convenient, and efficient operation, making the DCU601 an essential tool for contractors, landscapers, and construction professionals. The Makita VS001G XGT vacuum sweeper is a powerful cordless solution for cleaning job sites efficiently. Its brushless motor provides strong suction, capturing dust, debris, and dirt quickly. Lightweight and portable, the VS001G ensures easy maneuverability across construction areas or workshops. Designed with a large dust bag and quick release system, maintenance and emptying are hassle-free. The 40-volt Max XGT battery delivers long runtime, making it suitable for extended cleaning tasks without interruptions. Perfect for contractors and professionals seeking a cordless, high-performance vacuum solution, the VS001G combines convenience, portability, and durability for cleaner, safer work environments. The Makita UB002G 40-volt Max XGT cordless blower delivers powerful airflow for clearing leaves, dust, and debris from various surfaces. Its brushless motor ensures long runtime and efficient performance, while the lightweight design reduces operator fatigue. The variable speed trigger allows precise control for delicate or heavy-duty tasks. Ideal for landscaping, garden maintenance, and job site cleaning, the UB002G provides cordless convenience without sacrificing power. Equipped with the 40-volt Max XGT battery system, it ensures consistent performance for extended periods, making outdoor cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient for professionals and homeowners alike. The Makita RP001G half-inch router is a versatile, high-performance tool for woodworking and detailed routing tasks. Its brushless motor delivers smooth, consistent power for precision cutting, shaping, and edge work. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and control during extended use, while the adjustable speed dial allows customization for different materials. Lightweight yet durable, the RP001G is ideal for cabinet making, furniture building, and decorative projects. With Makita's 40V Max XGT battery system, it provides cordless convenience and long runtime. Professionals can rely. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews and insights. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest Makita releases and power tools.